Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Razer headset supports Thx Spatial audio and that firmware is current. This prevents compatibility issues. Once done, install Razer Synapse and sign into your Razer account so settings persist. Connect the headset via USB or the wireless dongle and temporarily disable other audio devices to avoid conflicts. These steps get you directly into the app with the right device selected, making the next configuration quick and reliable. Open Synapse and select your headset, then go to the Thx Spatial Audio tab. This is where spatial processing lives. Enable Thx and pick an initial preset, music, movie, or game, to establish a baseline because each optimizes different frequencies and imaging. Next, tweak spatial width and elevation to match headphone size and your listening preference, and adjust the equalizer to refine bass and treble. Make sure to save these changes as a named profile, so you can switch instantly for different activities. You finish by testing spatial accuracy. Use the built-in calibration or a known spatial audio track and listen for positional clarity. Once you hear directionality, refine voice clarity, surround width and bass response until virtual imaging feels natural. If things go wrong, update audio drivers, restart Razer Synapse, and repair the headset. Switch to a wired USB connection to rule out wireless interference. Finally, make a dedicated profile for each use case so you can return instantly to a polished spatial setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.